Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're shopping for your wife or spouse as a birthday present and you don't want them to know what you've been searching for. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to delete your search history is that you're going to click on the search bar on the upper hand side. And then as you can see, I've made some recent searches regarding card binders and Pokemon cards. If I want to go ahead and delete the search history, there's actually a little trash can icon on the upper right hand corner. So you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you'll see that you'll be able to exit out different items that you've searched for in the past. So just click on the exit icons and then there you have it. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your search history on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.